marinette.
And alya.
And alya. We're gonna go get food.
There's like a bride.
Oh, she's so pretty.
She's very
pretty. I don't know if we should. You think it's a rehearsal? I think there'd be more people here if they were getting married.
Can we go, please? I'm bored.
I'm just gonna. The cosplayers walking by and reading the photos.
Like, no one can really, like, unless you look like you can't really tell mine's a wig, but yours is like pretty old.
Well, yeah.
Because no one really has it.
Nobody really, yeah.
I'm so cute.
Wow, it's only been like. Oh, there's my dad. Tom, is that you?
What?
He went in the frame and I was like, Tom, is that you?
I wish I was vlogging, but I'm not a cool vlogger like you are.
Okay. I'm gonna post this on my channel.
Okay, I'll download your video.
Wow, thanks. Oh yeah, very nice. Posting it on the lady vlog or something.
Thank you.
Yeah.
What?
They're like, it's marinette and alya. When we actually get recognized. Does that feel when you actually get recognized? I didn't think that would happen.
Who recognized
The
that?
kids that were walking by that were going to mine
for a
fair.
picture with them.
Oh my gosh, it's starting to rain. Nobody my wig unstyles.
Do you want my jacket?
Just got rained on. That's fun.
I gave her my hoodie because her wig's gonna get installed.
What? I'm not wearing a wig. What do you mean?
I'm sorry, Marinette.
Don't tell Adrian.
Call Marinette.
Maybe like. Nobody me adjust my wig. Oh, I did it wrong way. Hi. Put this on.
You can vlog so easily with your like
Pop socket, yeah. I have a miraculous pop socket. My wig cap is falling.
You can like literally see my wig cap, but it's fine. No one.
But
knows.
it blends in. It blends in. Cause it's stories never end. Oh my gosh. Mike and Nathaniel be like. When it rains, so you have to like. Oh my gosh, my wig cap is falling. Oh my gosh, no, my wig cap just completely came off.
What? Wait, so it's just on your normal hair?
Yeah, it just like, it's like right there.
Oh.
I'm like, oh no. I could probably redo it.
You can like use the bathroom or in the car.
We can redo it when we're in the lift.
Casually.
Yeet. Yeet my hair. That's a thumbnail.
Make it the thumbnail.
Yeah. Wow, but and I got it on video that they were you can watch that back.
Oh my god. Does Marinette Canyon have freckles? Because I feel like she does.
Yeah, I think so. I don't know.
They're cute if she does. That would be so cute. If not, they should make it canon.
My thumb covering them. Nobody cosplayers? No. And the cuff jeans. The cuffs are the most important part.
My skirt is so short.
It goes almost down to your knees.
Wait, it's short.
Oh my gosh. Yeah, I'm gonna have to readjust my wig. Don't snatch my weave. Oh, can I borrow that, the cap that like fell out of nowhere? So I have two because this one's gonna fall off if I wear it on. Hi. It's gonna fall off if I don't have like two or something, because that's how I keep them on normally, but I only had one.
I have two on This is giving me a headache, but also might be the fact that I haven't eaten. Either one.
Nobody me carries wig cap.
Oh my god, marinette.
Oh my god.
Marinette.
Utterly ridiculous. My wig cap just like kind of
Ridiculous.
ridiculous. Utterly ridiculous.
Chloe,
Chloe be like, we need a Chloe. We can actually find a Chloe cosplay.
Snatch.
Snatch.
if there is any Chloe cosplayers here at Mind Fair, come join us. Come join to IKEA.
This is live.
No one cosplayers poses. You're way too sharp. You are chilling.
Pointy. Nobody marinette. Pointy.
Is this what the wig looks like? There's like little raindrops in it.
Yeah, I know. We're getting into the lift. We go in the back.
Yes.
Got my phone.
The escalator.
Oh, sorry. I just had my thing tied around my waist because I don't want to wait. I mean, if I had one that was
Do you want me to hold your jacket, Kiki?
No,
that's so cute. Alya's room be like.
Alya is not that edgy.
Alya is. It has so much plaid though. Oh my gosh, that's so pretty.
Oh my god. I see so many opportunities.
So many opportunities.
Want a shortcut to food?
Yes. Shortcut to food. And then we can take pictures. No, but.
Oh, cafe.
Okay. Ooh. Ooh. IKEA cafe. Someone be on TikTok.
She had her hair like in the e-girl things.
Oh my gosh. Cake? Cake? Oh, the line for food is. I mean, at least it gives us time to decide where we're going. Okay, we're getting food, so I'm stopping. So we're eating. And then we're probably gonna walk around and maybe photo shoot in one of like the fake room thingies. There's a Visco girl. But yeah.
What do you mean web page not available?
Holiday cosplay.
We're gonna get copyrighted.
I don't care, man.
We just put audio over
You're not
this.
monetized. Doesn't matter.
I know, but I can still like, yeah.
But like you'll just get.
I
one of
know.
those
I can
things.
put one of those warning things.
This didn't work for me.
Oh, that worked for me.
My headache came back.
Same.
Probably because we were sitting.
Oh.
Whatever, it's fine. We can deal with it. Right, girl? Marinette.
Yes. Right, Alya. Uh-huh.
Where the frick are the sets? Records movie here. Oh my god, wait. Secret Exposed, we're actually recording the live action movie that was
Sorry.
canceled.
Yeah,
for
and we
AMA.
said it. We said it was canceled, but like.
It's actually real because we're the actors. Pink. I can't really buy it.
I mean, I don't know. I don't think it would be a good ladybug. We're totally different. Totally different.
I love your ladybug top socket.
I know, it's great. I wanted a Chat Noir one, but they didn't have any.
I'm gonna get a Chat Noir one, for my lady vlog.
Ooh.
Pretty.
How
Oh my
pretty.
God,
Cybernetica. Someone went to my fair. They had one of those shirts.
Oh. Well, we are like. my god, look at this.
These slime machines.
Sit on either computer and take a picture of you and be like real life and real life.
Real life in real life. Oh, apparently.
Oh, mine was already on.
It's totally fake. We're looking at beginner's guide.
Okay. Alya's taking pictures for her baby vlog. Is there a kitchen? There's a fake kitchen.
What?
Point of view, you're the fridge. Gabby. Alya. Look. Point of view, you're the fridge.
Oh, Turtle just texted me. One second.
Okay. Nino.
Send me a picture of
He's
you and...
turtle.
Oh my god, yeah, Nino. Nino just texted me. He wants a picture of us.
Okay. Hold on.
Oh, we cute.
We cute.
We cute.
We cute. Alya lost her phone case.
I just took it off because it was breaking. Should I send him that one?
No!
Okay, I'll send him one of us in cosplay as well.
One of the...
I'll send him this one as well.
Okay. 3 attached.
I look bad in that
What
one.
was the first one?
That's such a cute photo. It's the first one. I low-key don't like this one, but whatever.
Wait, but this isn't this high key is a look.
Oh my god, wait, he spelled your name like the Pokemon.
Perks of having the same name as a Pokemon. Wait, there's a Pokemon named Marinette.
Panic.
Panics. I mean,
Oh my god, wait, he'll be in the fridge.
that's what I literally said.
I know.
I literally. Wow, wait. These chairs, when you sit on them, it like goes down. They bouncy.
Wait, can I take a picture of you doing that? Like, put your, like, here, hold your phone.
Okay.
Make it. Fucking B612. Okay, you're okay. No, I don't want to take a video, B612. Okay, sorry. Oh my god, he sent me a picture of him. I mean, Nino.
Nino.
Nino. Wait,
What is it?
it's a picture of him, I
Oh.
think.
We should probably go over. We get copyrighted. I don't know this song.
What?
I don't know
It's
this.
Ariana Grande.
Oh. I almost bumped into something. When you accidentally make eye contact with people. Oops.
Wait.
That's such a marinette aesthetic.
Low-key Marinette.
Wait, can you take a picture?
Yeah. Do you want me to take a picture of you?
Yes. Can you? Hold on.
Do you have the flash on?
I don't know why it's bright like that. No, I don't. These logos are so cute.
They were very.
They were like
They
so
should have
cute.
came up to us.
They should have. I would
have totally been like,
yeah.
Yeah.
That room. I don't know who. You're the one.
Probably should stay here too long, but it was fun.
It is fun. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. God. Where is that? Alya. Hey. Chloe.
Oh my god, it's like
Chloe. Oh my
It
gosh.
looks just like her.
It does look just like Chloe.
Oh my god, Mark is that
Mark, is that you? Mark, hello? Are you here? Maybe he's here. Maybe. He should have texted us. I know, it's so cute. Mark totally should have texted us.
Alright. Acting so casual.
Let me go back this way. Aw, these are so cute. They are. Ooh. Beep, beep. Alya be like, we spinning. This is the country little kid stuff. Oh, there's stuffed animals. There's stuffed animals. Oh my gosh. Oh yeah, let's go stuffed animals. Oh, they're so cute. Stuffed animals. They're so cute. Oh my gosh, look at the pig. Rose who?
Oh my god, look, it's chatting.
Where? Oh. Oh. Yeah,
It's like-
totally. Huh? Oh my gosh. Shanaharu. I don't know. These are so cute though.
Anyway, let's go.
Oh yeah, okay. I wonder if they have a ladybug somewhere. Who's got it? Because ladybug and there's another one, yeah? Now that I think about it, you would really look good in like a fox themed outfit.
Right? That's so true. Ladies, look good on it.
What?
Nothing. Wait, what? What?
Your dad? Alya's non-existent dad stopping to take pictures.
You go wait. You should like this, like a picture of me doing that. It's like lady.
Oh yeah, ladybug. Okay, hold on. Adrian's closet, be like. She looking in the mirror.
Hello.
Hello. Hi, Alya. We gotta go this way. You've been here a while, yeah.
Here.
Ooh, pretty. Ooh. Oh, that's so nice. Oh my gosh. Paris, the freaking Eiffel Tower. Wait, can you take a picture of me, please, please? Here, hold on. Yeah.